Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to get a discount for Universal Studio tickets. So let's get started. So we have around 3 ways, and the first way is by the Florida resident discount for Universal Orlando Resorts. And basically for the 1 park per day ticket, 2 parks child tickets begins at $165 and 2 parks adult tickets begin at $173. And for the park-to-park tickets, the 2 park child ticket starts at $213, and for the adult ticket starts at $220, and the 3 parks child tickets begins at $245, and for the adult tickets begins at $253. And basically for the 3 ticket deals, the 1 park per day tickets include the 2 parks, which is child tickets, and it starts at $186, and the adult ticket starts at $193. And for the 3 parks, child ticket starts at $218, and the adult tickets begins at $225. And for the park-to-park tickets, the 2 parks child ticket starts at $234, and the adult ticket starts at $241, and for the 3 parks child tickets begins at $266, and the adult tickets begins at $273. And for the California resident discount, it basically has a specific time and date. It could be changing from time to time, so you better be checking on their website for more information. And on the other hand, you have something which is becoming an annual pass holder or a season pass holder. And basically it starts for the Universal Orlando Resorts as it follows. For the 2 park annual pass begins at $324 per guest for the Florida residents, and for the 3 parks it basically begins at $424 per guest, and also for the Florida residents. And for the 2 park annual passes it begins at $424 per guest for non-residents, and for the 3 park annual pass it begins at $524 per guest for non-residents. And for the annual and season pass are available for the Universal Studios for Hollywood. And basically the platinum annual pass got no blackout date and is available for $619 online or $629 at the gate. And the gold annual pass includes $325 plus, and basically for the non-blackout days it is available for $319 online or $329 at the gate. And the silver annual pass includes $275 for non-blackout days and is sold for $229 online or $239 at the gate. The final thing is the California Neighbor Pass at 9-month season pass with over 150 day of availability, and is sold for $179 online or $189 at the gate. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.